Your phone, the one sitting in your pocket right now. Most people use it to scroll Instagram, watch reels, and argue in comment sections. But what if I told you that the same device, the exact same Android phone, can run real Kali Linux penetration testing tools? Not a watered-down app, not a gimmick, actual tools. The same ones ethical hackers run on their laptops. In 2026, this is not only possible, it is surprisingly straightforward. And today, I'm going to show you exactly which 8 tools are worth your time, and how they actually work on Android. Quick and honest before we get into it. Everything in this video is educational. These are tools used by cybersecurity students, ethical hackers, and security researchers in authorized environments, and nothing here is sponsored. Every tool I'm showing you today I picked because it's genuinely useful. That's the only reason. Now let's go. Tool 1 is the foundation everything else sits on, Kali NetHunter. And I want to be very clear about what this actually is, because a lot of people think it's just an app. It is not just an app. NetHunter is a full mobile penetration testing platform built by Offensive Security, the same people who make Kali Linux itself. It consists of 4 components working together: the NetHunter Android app, the NetHunter App Store, which is a dedicated repository of security applications for Android, a full Kali Linux container running on your device, and KEX, which stands for Kali Desktop Experience, giving you a complete Kali Linux desktop accessible through VNC right on your phone screen. It comes in 3 editions. NetHunter Rootless requires no root access at all. You install it on a completely stock Android phone and get access to hundreds of command line tools through a terminal interface. NetHunter Lite works on rooted devices for more capability. And Full NetHunter, for supported devices with custom kernels, unlocks hardware-level features like wireless frame injection. The 2026.1 release is actively maintained. Version 2026.1.8 dropped on June 1st, and it supports over 100 device models. This is the legitimate, official starting point for anyone serious about mobile ethical hacking. Tool 2, Termux. And if NetHunter is the professional setup, Termux is the one that literally anyone with an Android phone can install and use in the next 5 minutes. Termux is a terminal emulator and Linux environment for Android. No root, no custom kernel, no technical setup beyond installing the app. Once it's running, you have access to a package manager, the same apt system used in Debian and Ubuntu. And from it, you can install Python, Nmap, Git, SSH clients, Metasploit framework components, and hundreds of other tools directly. The practical value of this is enormous. You want to run a Python OSINT script on your phone? Termux. You want to SSH into a server from your pocket? Termux. You want to install and run Sherlock for username OSINT, or Holohy for email investigation, or Migré for social media reconnaissance? All of it runs inside Termux. One important note: always install Termux from F-Droid or the NetHunter App Store, not from the Google Play Store. The Play Store version is outdated and no longer maintained. F-Droid has the current version, and it works perfectly. Tool 3, and this one is going to be satisfying for anyone who knows their way around a terminal. Nmap, the network scanner that has been a cornerstone of ethical hacking for decades, running on your Android phone through Termux. Install it with a single command inside Termux, apt install Nmap, and you have full Nmap functionality available. Port scanning, OS detection, service version identification, NSE scripts, all of it. The same Nmap that runs on a Kali Linux laptop, running on your phone. The use case here is real. An ethical hacker doing an authorized on-site network assessment, walking through a building with permission to test the infrastructure, can pull out their phone, run a quick Nmap sweep of a subnet, and have results in seconds. No laptop, no bag, no setup, just a phone and a terminal. That kind of portability is genuinely useful in professional fieldwork. Tool 4, and this is the one that genuinely makes people stop and say, wait, seriously? Metasploit framework, on Android, running through Termux and the NetHunter container. Now, Metasploit on a phone isn't going to replace a full laptop setup for complex engagements. The processing power and screen real estate limitations are real. But for a cybersecurity student running practice scenarios in a home lab, or a researcher who needs to quickly test a specific module against an authorized target, having Metasploit available from your pocket is a completely legitimate and genuinely impressive capability. The NetHunter container approach gives you the cleanest Metasploit experience on Android, because you're essentially running a Kali Linux environment inside your phone, and Metasploit is part of that environment. The MSF console interface works, modules load, and the core exploitation workflow functions. It's real. It works. And for a cybersecurity student who wants to practice on the go, it's a remarkable thing to have available. Tool 5, Network Traffic Analysis. And this is an area where NetHunter's hardware integration capabilities really start to show their value. Through the NetHunter environment, you can run TCP dump, the command line packet capture tool, directly on your Android device. This lets you capture network traffic from the interfaces available to your phone and analyze it. For Wi-Fi analysis on authorized networks, for understanding what traffic your own device is generating, for network troubleshooting in the field, this is real packet capture on a mobile device. For a more visual experience, T-Packet Capture is available through the NetHunter App Store and provides a cleaner interface for traffic capture that can then be exported as PCAP files, the same format Wireshark reads on desktop. So your workflow becomes capture on your phone, transfer the PCAP to your laptop, analyze in full Wireshark. That's a legitimate, professional field collection workflow. Tool 6. SQLMap through Termux. And this one is particularly relevant for anyone doing bug bounty hunting or web application security assessments. SQLMap is the industry-standard automated SQL injection detection and exploitation tool. Install Python in Termux, install SQLMap via pip, and you have a fully functional SQLMap instance running on your Android device. Point it at an authorized target URL, and it runs its full detection and testing workflow exactly as it would on a desktop. For a bug bounty hunter who finds a potentially vulnerable endpoint while browsing on their phone, being able to immediately run a quick SQLMap test from the same device without switching to a laptop is a genuine workflow advantage. The tool doesn't care whether it's running on a MacBook or an Android phone. The output is identical. Tool 7. And if you watched the OSINT tools video on this channel, this section is going to feel very familiar because Sherlock, Maigret, and Hole, three of the most powerful OSINT tools in that entire list, run perfectly inside Termux on Android. Install Python in Termux, clone the repositories with Git, install the requirements, and you're running username enumeration across 3,000 platforms, email to service mapping, and full OSINT dossier building from your phone. No laptop, no desk, just a phone and a terminal window. This is genuinely one of the most practical combinations in this entire video for anyone interested in OSINT work. Because OSINT investigations often happen opportunistically, you're somewhere, you have a username or an email address, and you want to pull data right now. With Termux and these tools configured, your phone becomes a fully operational OSINT workstation in your pocket. Tool 8. And I want to end with this one because it represents something really special about the open source security community. Termux Hunter, a community-built project on GitHub that takes everything we've talked about and packages it into a single, streamlined installation. Termux Hunter is a mobile pen testing framework that brings full Kali NetHunter, both CLI and GUI via VNC, to your Android device through Termux. One installation script, no root required, and you get a complete Kali Linux environment with GUI access, Bash, and ZSH customization, and fixes specifically built for Android's background killing behavior that can interrupt long-running tools. For someone who wants the most complete, clean NetHunter experience inside Termux, without piecing everything together manually, this project does the heavy lifting for you. It's a community contribution that genuinely deserves more attention than it gets. If this video was useful, subscribe, drop a comment telling me which tool you're setting up first, and check the OSINT tools video if you haven't already, because half the tools in that list run perfectly inside Termux. See you in the next one.